And so let me start with Mr. Mahindra Kapadia. A question asked to you was, this situation is very new for all of us, and we are dealing with it by motivation, inspiration, discipline, gaining knowledge, learning to earn and manage money. Now, we are largely neglected the human needs and emotions. That's what we have been doing. So what will be the short term, long term, and very long term emotional impact according to you? And if you could help telling us if there is something we can do so that at least we are emotionally stable. So over to you, Mr. Mahindra Kapadia.
I think very thoughtful question. Yes, people were on the back burner, let's say, in the organizations. They always possibly, gave more importance. The CEOs gave more importance to maybe the marketing and finance and production, and very little to the HR role, HR function. This has been a sort of a backyard kind of a thing. Now this will need a major change. This will undergo a major change. The HR people will have to really get the best out of the people. It is not that the people who are bad. We all know that why a person leaves the company. Person always leaves the manager. Person doesn't leave the company, which also meant that the organization hired him knowing all his strengths and weaknesses, but naturally they appreciated his strengths, and so they hired him. But they allow him to go because the organization is not able to get the best out of him. So the person naturally then finds somewhere else where he can find his expectations. So this has been the scenario so far. So what the organizations really need to do, that match the passion, match the expectations of the people, and give them enough of margin, leeway to really excite themselves, achieve something new. Innovation, creativity will be the buzzword now. And that better be so, because that is how the India can really come up on the technological front other than the IT area. Today, in all other industry, we have no more technologies practically. So it is the creativity, innovation was given a zero weighted till yesterday. And that is the one which will really lift India into the so-called the world power. You need technology with you. So this is in the short term and middle term. Long term, yes, the best people will be really getting the best of the rewards. And somewhere the Indian economy is huge. I would only say that with 120 crore people, our economy is actually, the potential to grow is huge. And with that, all levels of people will surely find a way. Just as we saw that, what is that called? Big Vada, right? All kind of products can be created and marketed. Market exists for all levels of economy, from poor people to the town-based people to the middle class, rich class, super rich class. These are all 6 stratas of economies existing, but hardly anybody is serving these independent individual economies. So I'm sure our caliber, our hardworking nature of the Indian labor, and the potential of the market is huge enough to really get everybody into the right market and right workplace. I hope that clarifies the particular question raised by one of the gentlemen or a lady, whoever is she.
Yeah, thank you so much for that. Yes, that really helps to keep our emotions in guard and, have trust that yes, India is capable, because a lot of people are losing hope in their own country. So let's see how things move forward, and we hope for the best.
Fly high. No lockdown. Fly high is the one we must end today's session. And as we get out of this room, we must think of flying high. The sky is the limit for all of us.
Absolutely. We need to fly high. Thank you so much. That should be the mantra.